So it would be like me to wait until the last minute to do anything. So I just finished editing and uploading the last video of the year from Quentin's party from Christmas Eve. It took me a little while to get the editing down and get it good so I can have it uploaded, and it took me a little time because I was spending time with family. I will say, like, the one thing that I regret about that video is that I didn't get a whole lot of footage from the actual party. Like, I didn't. And honestly, I'm like down on myself, like feeling a little bad about it and kind of feel a little good about it because I was actually so immersed in enjoying the actual festivities that we worked so hard to put together. But I wish I would have at least like got like the finished product of everything so everyone can see. But anywho, I digress. If you haven't already watched that video, please go ahead and check that out somewhere up here in the cards and click that video. I'll also leave it in the link down below. And again, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jay, or ChiQ. Welcome to CosmoChiQ. Like and follow, subscribe, all that. So anywho, in the beginning, I said that I wait till last minute to do anything, whatever. I am a big procrastinator, which I'm trying to change in the year of 2024. You can't be an adult and be this bad of a procrastinator. I'm not gonna make an excuse. I want to so bad, but I'm not. I'm gonna own it. And anyways, we're packing to go out of town. I surprised Quentin for his birthday with the family cruise. He's been wanting to go on a cruise for years. Bought him a cruise a few years ago. We ended up having to cancel because of work, etc., etc. It's like a whole big shebang. Anywho, so this year we're going on a cruise and we're actually going tomorrow, and I'm not packed, which is very not like me. Like, not like me at all. I don't know how I can be a procrastinator and yet be so A-type. I don't know what that is. What's the name of that? Leave that in the comment section below too. But I'm like so A-type for me to have to wait to the last minute to pack. Something got to be wrong. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm packing now. So I want to show you what I'm packing. But also, after I finish packing, I have to wash my braids. I got these braids done 2.5 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. I got these braids done 2 weeks ago, and if you've had these braids before, if you watch my previous videos, I'll leave it in the cards too. When I got my braids done, whenever I got it done, that's when I did it. That's when I got my braids done, that time. But anyways, these are the goddess, I don't know, the braids with the hair that's pulled out, the goddess braids. I call them freestyle braids because I grew up in the 90s. I'm telling my age, but you know, that's what I call them. So I got those braids, and if you ever had these braids before, the dye of the human hair and of the synthetic hair is like super bad. And I'm gonna tell you a quick story. If you've watched my previous video of when we went to Mexico, you seen I had these same braids. Well, a very embarrassing thing happened to me. We went to the pool, my hair got wet, and it was like dripping of dye, of hair dye. Embarrassing. But you know, when you go to those expensive resorts where everything is like cream and like white and all this other stuff, and I'm dripping black dye. Okay, so you won't catch me again. So anywho, here is my bag. Here is my bag. This is not packed. This is my organization, non-organized way of packing. I try on all my clothes first. I dump them in here to get them out of the way. And then I have the packing cubes, and I put them in packing cubes nice and organized and neat. I do this way because even though I write things down, take pictures of the outfits, making sure they're cute, girl, you know, and I put them in the packing cubes, I feel for me, when I do it this way, when I put them in the packing cubes, it kind of helps me be a little bit more organized and go down that checklist of the things that I need and need to remember. So I kind of go in order. I pack my clothes, then I pack my hair, and last I pack my makeup, and lastly I pack my toiletries because I use them in the morning before we leave. So that's kind of how we're doing this today. I have no idea how I'm going to do this right now because I don't have my big tripod with me. I only have my handheld. So we're just going to make this work and make it do what it do, baby. Okay? Work with me here. Don't judge me. That's not you. My hair, it's so much lighter now that it's washed or shampooed or whatever the case may be. It's drying now. It's air drying. I even did my little edges, child. Did my little edges. That's pretty much it of how I pack. I hope that was semi-helpful or kind of helpful. We're getting ready to go on our cruise. If you like and enjoyed this video and like this type of content, please go ahead, like and follow. Subscribe, it really does help us. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.